Hello, everyone, and welcome to Avant-Garde Technology Academy. My name is Kathleen Meredith, and I am your teacher here in this seminar. Anyway, let's start. Our first topic for today is on how to install your WordPress theme. So let's go. Before we will continue or we will start doing this, I would like to tell you that all of you got their subdomain. So your subdomain depends on your participant number according to Avant-Garde Academy database. So anyway, lahat kayo ng mga participant ng seminar nito is may kanya-kanya kayong website. So hindi nyo ginagamit yung website ng isa. Lahat ng or bawat isa sa inyo is meron kayong sariling website. So in the end of this seminar, we will check the result. So magkakaroon tayo, dapat maging ganito yung mukha niya at magiging kumbaga talagang actual siya na website. Mag-o-order kami, titingnan namin kung makaka-receive kami ng mga notifications, makaka-receive kayo ng orders at ma-update ninyo kami kung ano na nangyari sa orders namin. So, ganun lang ang ating gagawin. So, this time, makikita nyo to. Halimbawa yan, makaka-add to cart. Ito yung mga gagawin natin. Anyway, let's go back to our subject. Makikita nyo sa URL is, in my case, I put participant1.avantgardetechnology.net. So this is the subdomain of avantgardetechnology.net. We need to log in as an admin. However, when you look at this theme, we have no way, right? We have no way. Hindi siya katulad ng Facebook na may login. So how is it possible that we can log in to admin? Very simple. Ang lahat ng WordPress, guys, na bagong install is wala yung security. Ibig sabihin, kayang pasukin. Napakadaling pasukin. So what we need to do is click / and then type login. Okay? Na-type nyo na ba? And then click enter. So once na mag-appear, once na tinype nyo yung URL na yon, itong WordPress login page will appear. So in your case, pare-pareho po kayo ng username, which is participant, and then click the I para makita nyo yung inyong password. So the password that I set as a default is password 123. If you want to click remember me, it's okay, but in my case, I will leave it that way. So click login. So this is the interface of the dashboard of admin, WordPress admin. So at the left side, makikita nyo po yung navigation. Nandyan si dashboard, nandyan si home, post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, users, tools, settings. And then if you want to collapse your menu in that way, you can do it and then click it back. So again, what is our target again? What is our goal? Our goal is to install what? To install the WordPress theme. So let's go. So ba makikita si WordPress theme? Let's go to appearance. So pag nakita nyo na si appearance, merong themes, customized widgets, menus, background, and theme editor. Let's go to what? Let's go to themes. Nakakasunod po ba? Okay. After nyan, makikita nyo yung mga themes na naka-install sa WordPress ninyo. This is a default theme installed by WordPress sa mga bagong websites. We don't need that. I mean, that is not the theme that we need. What we are going to do is we need to find some better. So we click add new button. Kapag click nyo si add new button, lahat ng themes na available sa WordPress theme will appear. By this time, our main purpose is to create a website, an e-commerce website that looks like this, okay? So what we will do is we need to know what is this WordPress theme. According to my mock-up, ang pangalan daw ng theme na to is si Store Biz. So let's copy Store Biz and paste it here at search themes. And then click. There you are. Hi Store Biz. And then click install. Okay. Let's see kung nagbago na ang ating website. Wala pa rin. Hindi pa rin nagbabago. Bakit sa palagay nyo? Dahil hindi pa natin siya na-activate. So we need to click the activate. And let's see again. Oops, there you are. Nagbago na po ang ating website ngayon. Congratulations! Meron na kayo ngayong website na merong proper theme. So that's it for this video. I hope you will go to the next video para ngayon malaman, mag-customize na tayo. Marami pa tayong gagawin. Dahan-dahan lang para hindi tayo mabulunan. So, okay, that's it for this time. Thank you so much and please help me subscribe in my video. And see you again.